In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Figma in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. You'll want to search for Figma. Once the search results pop up, click on the Figma link to access the platform. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials on the login page. If you're new to Figma, you'll need to quickly set up an account, which is quite straightforward. Logging in ensures that all your designs are saved and can be accessed later from any device. After you're logged in, the next step is to open the design project where you want to create your table. If you're working on something new, feel free to start a new project. Otherwise, open an existing file where the table would complement your current work. It's always a good practice to organize your workspace, ensuring any existing elements won't get in the way of your new table. Once your design is open, direct your attention to the toolbar where you will find the Assets panel. Click on this panel. This is essentially a treasure trove of components that Figma has to offer. Selecting components from the Assets panel is a good way to maintain consistency in your design, as these are built-in elements that adhere to certain styles and proportions. In the Assets panel, scroll through the available components until you find Table. This might be an easy hunt if you know the layout, but take your time to familiarize yourself with where different components are located. Selecting the Table component will activate it, allowing you to then place it in your canvas. Now here's the fun part, actually placing the table into your design. Once you've selected the table, click and drag on the canvas to create your table. You can adjust the size to include the desired number of rows and columns. This action is intuitive, letting you visually see the table form as you drag. Think about how your table should fit into the overall design. If you're unsure, start with a basic layout. You can always customize it further later on. And just like that, you've created a table in Figma. This straightforward process really highlights Figma's user-friendly interface and its powerful design capabilities. With only a few clicks and drags, you can incorporate complex elements like tables, enhancing your design projects with precision and style. Remember, the key to mastering Figma or any design tool is practice. Feel free to experiment with different table configurations in your future projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy design tutorials.